Hi everyone, this is Kira from Dublin City Libraries. Today I'm going to tell you about our online language learning program, Transparent Language Online. This is available via Libraries Ireland to every library authority in the country. So this video is relevant to you whether or not you are a member specifically of Dublin City Libraries. The Transparent Language Online service is really amazing. There's 100+ languages and growing, from Afrikaans to Zulu. There's an extensive English language learning collection. There's alphabet lessons, supplemental vocabulary, core skill building activities, and smart insight and review features. In order to start using Transparent Language Online, you need to register for it using your library card number. So I'm just going to show you how to do that now. You have to do that in a browser before downloading the app. So you need to have your account set up before you download the app, so you can then just log in to the app. First of all, we go to dublincitylibraries.ie and we scroll down to e-resources, more e-resources and how to access. You get an A to Z list, so we're going to go down the bottom looking for Transparent Language Online. Here it is. So we need to input our Dublin City Library membership card number to create our account and complete the registration. So I'm going to click on this link. You have to do this before downloading the app. So this is the RB Digital Gateway for Transparent Language. I am going to create a new account, which is in the top right hand corner. So I'm going to pop in my card number. Okay. So now I need to select my library. So Dublin City Libraries. We fill in all this information, including email and a password. We agree to the site's terms of service and we create an account. So it's creating a new account. I need to agree to the terms of service. And you can see in the top right hand corner, I am logged in, I've been welcomed. So I'm now logged in a browser and I can start learning from there. Click Start Learning. Again, agree to the updated terms of use and the privacy policy. And I'm in. So just exit out of that. These are all the languages you can learn, but I'm going to go to download the app now and then show you more about Inside Transparent Language through the app. I'm just going to show you how to find the app. So I've already downloaded it, so it's remembered Transparent Language Online. It's the kind of grey square with the purple speech bubble inside, and you simply install it and click Open. So this is the login screen for the app, but before we log in, we have to get the mobile password. So if you click on that little question mark beside the mobile password, it explains where to get the mobile password. So this is why we had to create our version on desktop first. So we're going to go back to that in order to access that code to let us use the app. So I'm going to leave the app now and return to the browser. So I have gone back to the browser window that I had open when I registered for Transparent Language. So we are going to take a look now at how do we get that code for the app. So you may have noticed that in the drop-down menu there was only the option to log out and to change the interface language. So in order to get the full range of options, you need to pick a language to learn. So I'm just going to pick Icelandic for English speakers. And then if you go back to menu, the 4 horizontal lines in the top right hand corner, you'll notice that there's a lot more options now, including Get the App. So click on Get the App And then in the yellow box, you'll see that they've given you a mobile password. So you simply copy and paste that into the login screen on the app. Now that you have copied the password, you go back into the app, you paste it in there where it says mobile password, and you put in your username, which is the email address that you use to register in the browser. And I'm logged in, and it brings up the language that I've selected to learn, which was Icelandic. So you can see on the left hand side my learning path. The first lesson is a welcome lesson. On the right there's goals, learn vocabulary and practice tasks that are differentiated by listening, reading, speaking and writing, and you can see the different symbols that signify those. So I'll just give you a quick little look at what a lesson looks like. So if we go into welcome and learn, so it gives you the instruction, read and listen to the Icelandic, then read the meaning, tap to continue, and it can go through them there. Then you can go back to your learning path, and you can see, because I did a little bit there, I have a little bit of a goal built up there as well. Your menu, as I said, is in the top right hand corner. You can browse, you get a transcript when you finish a course. You can have a look at additional resources, including their blog, Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. So there's loads on there to support your learning, and there's so many languages to choose from. So I hope you found that helpful. Any questions, leave them in the comments.